So I got Rich with me today from FrogTape, and FrogTape is this a new product that FrogTape has come out with?
This is a new product.
A new product. So
Yep.
FrogTape has a lot of products, a lot of really cool products, some of the best tapes you'll ever use in your life. They now have a flashing tape, apparently.
Yes.
And can you give me a little bit about this product, what it is, where we would use it?
Okay, where we use it, it's a window and door flashing tape. So just one of the samples, just give you an idea. So the 6-inch has a split on the back. So you can pull that right off. So you can just pull that right off of there and go ahead and get that ready to apply. So I'll just show you just a little bit, like if I was to wrap the whole, around the whole jam here, I just kind of stick that right on there and put it right on, go right like that. And the great part is with this, if I had my little tool, is they like you just do the tool right over it. The great part is, like, if I didn't get this set quite right with this product, I can pull it back off a bit. Then I can also just reset it. It'll set right there, which is really cool. And then you just wrap that right around the corner, get this edge right off, and just wrap this right around, right there. And it's just nice and clean. The other great thing about it is we did a project, Chris, a while back on a house, and we went ahead and we put the windows in, but then we used this product. My client wanted the windows sealed, no air infiltration or anything, and it was up, the house was up on top of a hill, wind everywhere. So we just sealed it right up, and this product will go right on to stone and masonry and stick. Let me show you this. This is crazy.
So we got some stone block down here.
Right onto the block, we'll just take this, put it right up here, right on to your ply or OSB, and then we'll take this edge off here. We'll get this off of this edge.
It's got a good to have fingernails.
Yeah, it would be great to have fingernails to be able to pull that right off.
I just clipped mine yesterday, so it
Yeah.
doesn't make peeling the backing off the tape easy.
No, not at all. So then we'll get that right off of there. We'll get that off that edge. Pull that right off. This, you're gonna like this. So this is one of the things that sold me on this product when we did this project, and I'm talking November in Pennsylvania. So it was cold, and it stuck to the stone and masonry really well. So much that I was like, I need to do a quick little video and send it back to FrogTape.
Right.
So we did that. Check out that corner. Again, your fingernails, but check out, we just applied that.
Yeah, that's
And
not easy.
it's like right on there, but go ahead and pull. I got a little bit of that. You can see how that is.
That's
Is that
stuck on there
crazy?
pretty good.
That's an awesome product. To be able to do that in such a short time.
Yeah,
like
that's absolutely amazing. How well that's stuck on there.
Yeah.
Look at that. And so it feels like it's like a rubber type of tape because it stretches. I mean, look at that stretch to that.
Yep.
And look, it's stretching that far, and it's only holding on to like about an inch.
Acrylic tape.
So it's an acrylic tape.
Yes.
So you can also, like, I see on like the outside of the window, so you can seal, but then you can go right over the plastic of the window too.
Yeah, so we did a double layer. We went ahead, like if I was going to install the window, I want it covered in on the sill, and I was able to stretch this, and I'll show you in a moment how this stretches as well. And then we put that first layer, we put this in so it acts like a piece of flashing, so it can come out onto the siding, but then we sealed that first piece over top of this, so any water that gets in is going to get
It's
out.
going to come out.
We had that first layer on the inside, then we went ahead, like you said, Chris, we sealed that right up to the vinyl. Now, I don't even know at this point, this is the one that I put over the vinyl, but here, you can pull that and feel that I did a couple hours ago. but you can feel how strong that is
Look at that.
even to the vinyl. So that made that seal complete right through there.
Yeah, that's on there pretty strong. So that's a pretty amazing tape right there.
So that's pretty cool, but this is one of the things I really like about this. So in the corner of the window, right in this corner,
So I'm gonna turn this
you
corner.
know, this product also stretches really well. So I'm going to use this tool that I have right here. I'm going to set this in right there. I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I like things really nice and neat, so I'm going to use the tool just to get it right to that corner, right in there. After I get into the corner, I'm just going to go right up there with that. So you can see, Chris, that I've got that first part just right in there nice. Okay. Then I'm going to take this edge right here, get this back tape off here. I'll leave that there. Again, we showed you before, if it sticks on itself, you can still pull it off.
Right.
But watch this. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to stretch this right here like that. So now I just stretch that in that corner, and I'll use this tool to do right here. And you can see that even stretching that, I didn't break down the product
Right.
at all.
Right.
And it's sealed right around that corner.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna do like a test of FrogTape's flashing tape right here. This is a shear test right here to see how strong it is. If I can pull it off, how far it's gonna stretch.